Who wants to be healthy? I believe we all want to be healthy. Unfortunately, I used to get the flu 6 times a year. So I got sick of getting sick. And so I started to do research and realized that all the food and medicine that I've been taking every day was affecting my health and immune system in a very negative way. And one of the first revolutionary products that came out from Atomy is called HemoHim. And this is our top seller. An immune booster and an energy booster. And it's been approved by the Korean FDA. And it will basically really help your immunity. Basically, it has 4 functions. But before I tell that, top PhD scientists did an extensive research with Korean plants. And so that they can come up with HemoHim. Because scientists were constantly exposed to radiation. So the 4th function is overall to protect you from harm from the viruses and bacteria, and also strengthen your immune system, and also even protect you from radiation. Did you know that we are exposed to radiation every day, such as cell phones, planes, even cars, even TVs, and even certain kind of food? But because it boosts your immunity, it will protect you, and it will also create new red and white blood cells. Unfortunately, about a year ago, I had a miscarriage, and I thought I was going to die because I lost over a gallon of blood. So I had to go to the ER, and I took 3 to 4 packets of HemoHim with me. And after I took it, the nurse checked my blood, and she said my hemoglobin looked good. So I was so shocked. You have to see it, hear it, try it to really believe in the Atomy products.